guys, Crafty Vlogstalker here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a hands-only camera mount for your smartphone out of PVC pipe. I went to my local hardware store and purchased a 10-foot long piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe. At the store, there was actually a place for me to cut the pipe right there, so I didn't have to worry about bringing a big old long 10-foot piece of pipe home and cutting it at home. The measurements that I cut my pipe to was 1 21-inch piece, 3 13-inch pieces, 2 11-inch, 1 7, and 1 3-inch piece. And then you'll also need to purchase 2 end caps, 3 elbows, 2 T's, and you'll need to purchase bolts that measure 1/4 20 by 12. And that is what this bolt is right here. And this bolt is what holds our smartphone mount to this mount. And what you'll need to do is actually take this piece home and drill a hole right there through the back of this T and then twist that bolt in there. And that is then what is going to hold our smartphone mount. Right here, as you see, there's that hole, that screw hole right there. And this will hold our smartphone mount. Now this mount is really inexpensive. You can buy them online super duper cheap, and I'll include links to this in the blog and also in the description of the video as well. So now that we have all of our pieces cut and ready to go, let me show you how to put it all together. We're gonna start with our 2 11-inch pieces right here, and we're gonna put one of these end caps on each of them. We're gonna take an elbow and put an elbow on the other side of each of them. These are gonna kind of serve as our legs for our mount. So then we're gonna take a 13-inch piece and put one of those into each of the elbows, and this is going to give us the entire base for our mount. So it's not all going to be in frame, but this is what one side looks like. Then we're going to take a T and join those two sides together. Now this right here is really your workspace. This is where you show whatever you're showing on the video. I had you cut 2 different pieces right here, a 21-inch piece and another 13-inch piece. These are the pieces that come up right here. And you want to have a couple different options for how far away your camera will be from your surface or from what you're working on. So I'm going to put the 13-inch piece in here just so we can try and keep it all in frame. And then another elbow right there on top. And then the same with these 2 pieces. We've got our 7-inch and our 3-inch. And these are really just to give us a different length away from this back part. So I'm going to use the 3-inch piece. And then I'm going to take my T with the bolt in it and twist my smartphone mount right onto there. And then put that right there. Okay, so that is pretty much your mount. That is all there is to it. When you are filming, you want to make sure and use the camera on the back of your phone because that is a better quality lens. And then you are ready to film and to put stuff together and show everybody all of the amazing things that you can make. Are you guys ready to make some of your very own hands-only videos? They really are a lot of fun.